Hello, 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 and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Hello, hello, hello again, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are back on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Happy days. We are on Naranjos number 7. And I'm showing you today a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Naranjos 7, brought to you by our weekly virtual open house, presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Well, what can I say? 2-bedroom. Hi, well, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. We are located on Naranjos 7. A quiet garden, well occupied by nationals and by international owners and occupants and residents. So quite a mixed community here, quite lively in summer and a beautiful place to stay in winter as well. Today it's a little bit, how shall I say, cloudy. We have actually 17 degrees at the moment. It was sunny about half an hour ago. Then it started to rain a little bit. Hi Darren, hi Walter. It started to rain a little bit, but now it has stopped again and it's quite okay today. So, well, let's have a look at this apartment first. There we go. 2-bed, 1-bathroom. We are on Naranjos 7 today. As you can see, my favorite, the mirror, is here again. And I'm just walking into the living room kitchen area. Hola Agatha, how are you? We're just here in the living room now of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on our qualityhomescostacalida.com webpage. You will find this property under the reference 3501. Well, I hope it's improving. We do have a full signal here for internet, so I hope it's improving whilst I'm walking through the property. So I'm just showing you now the master bedroom. You guys are confusing me a little bit today. We are just here in the master bedroom now. As we said, 3-bed, 1-bath, reference 3501 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. The asking price for this property is normally $68,900, but for our today's virtual open house, we have agreed, well, better said, the seller has agreed to drop the price to only $66,000 today. And all what we see in the video is what you get for this property. And I will mention now, and I will point out several special items for this property. Just let me show the master bathroom. This mirror, you can hardly see me. The master bathroom has been refurbished and redone, so it's now equipped with a walk-in shower instead of the bathtub. It's beautifully made, I have to say. It matches perfectly. It's quite comfortable, and I think it's one of the assets of this property. Apart from the walk-in shower, no idea what's going on with the connection here. Honestly gobsmacked, because we think the signal should be perfect. Another item in this property is, for example, the water filter. Maybe you have seen already 1 or 2 of our virtual open houses, so you know already what this is for. This is for the drinking water. Means that you don't have to buy bottled water in the supermarket, you don't have to waste the plastic bottles, you don't have to carry all this stuff from the supermarket to here, which does not mean that our water is not drinking water, but it means that normally in summer it is normally quite chlorine tasting, so the filter is taken out this and provides a perfectly and beautiful drinking water, and it's really worthwhile making the investment. And once in here, happy days, it's already built in. Apart from that, we have fully air conditioning in all rooms. Here is one of them. All 3 of them are brand machines inverter technology. So this means that also in high summer, in high season, when it's maybe over 35 degrees, you will still be able to enjoy your apartment in quite acceptable conditions. That's the 2nd unit, and the 3rd unit is in the 2nd bedroom. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do find this property under the reference number 3501. Asking price is normally 68,900, but today for our virtual open house, the seller has agreed to drop the price to only 66,000 euros. So I think that's really worthwhile thinking about. It's perfectly fitted and would be ready for coming yourself, staying here for a time, coming here as resident, using it as a holiday home, or using it maybe as well as an investment. Because these properties are renting out very well, especially on long term. And I think this would be also a very good investment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are actually on Naranjos 7 today. As you can see, it's a beautiful, long stretched garden. The community pool is just over there in the center of the screen at the moment, and you do see the community gardens, and it's all perfectly kept by our maintenance team. I think it's really a joy today to stay here. As we said today, it's a little bit cloudy. We have about 17 degrees. We had a little bit of rain about half an hour ago. The sun is now coming back, so happy days, I would say. Soon we will see again normal Spanish weather. Just walking into the property again. We are in the living room now of Naranjos 638 on Naranjos 7. Showing you now the living room, kitchen and dining area. Yes, Agatha, thank you very much. The water filter is really a godsend to say. We also have it in our office, in our houses, wherever. We always install water filters, and it really is a joy to have, and it saves so much money and hassle and work. Master bedroom of this 2-bed 1-bathroom apartment on Naranjos 7. Reference on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com is 3501. Asking price normally 68,900, today only 66,000. So in case you think of making an offer today, feel free. My team is happy and will answer all your questions. Anyway, in case of any question you might have, just drop us a line at the bottom of the screen, and me or my team will try to answer it as soon as possible and as accurate as possible. I'm just showing you now the bathroom, which has been reformed. Initially, all bathrooms on Condado have put in a bathtub. In this case, they have changed the bathtub to a walk-in shower, which really makes a difference comfort-wise. And I think it's also spacier now with the walk-in shower than with the bathtub. Otherwise, it's a fully fitted bathroom. Well, not a lot to say. All here, what we need. But it's not only the apartment level we have here. As well, there is a roof terrace. And now let's try if it works out today with the internet connection, and let's walk up on the roof terrace. I hope it's working, fingers crossed. There we go. Just walking up. So I do still have quite a lot of signal. So let's see if this is working out. So we are now on the roof terrace of this 2-bed 1-bathroom apartment, and the roof terrace is of the same size as the apartment itself. So this means we have nearly 60 square meters of roof terrace under the Spanish sun. I just show you the views from the roof terrace. Just making a round here, happy days. It's as all the roof terraces here, it's spacious, it's massive. What else can I say? It's just beautiful up here. Showing you the views from the back terrace. We see here opposite the penthouse development. And behind the penthouse development, you will find the Jack Nicklaus signature course, golf course. So where you also find the clubhouse, as Craig just mentioned. They're doing fantastic meals at the moment. They have rebranded themselves to the Golf Club Eatery, and they're really doing quite a good service, I've been told. Been there as well already sometimes for fish and chips, and pretty spot on. So this was the roof terrace. I hope the signal was okay, and you have seen the size, the dimension, and got a little bit of a feel for the roof terrace. Just make me another turn here. There we go. We are today on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are on a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Naranjos 7. It is N638. You find the details of this property under the reference 3501 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Back to the main floor of the 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. My favorite friend here is the mirror. Okay, it's the golf bar and eatery. Yes, and the lamb burger as well. I forgot the lamb burger. Yes, true. We should talk about properties and not about food here. Okay, as we said, qualityhomescostacalida.com, reference 3501. The community fees for this property is €95 per month, which includes all services provided by the community, as starting with gardening, pool cleaning, security, lighting, street cleaning, you name it, we have it. Apart from that, entrance control 24/7, and also very important, within the community fees, you also have included the internet connection. So each property on site enjoys a 100 megabit down and upload line, and this comes included within the community fees. There is no data limit, so you can download as much as you want, and the speed of 100 megabit allows also simultaneous videos, streaming, you name it, we have it. It's all in the box. So €95 per month, including all services provided by the community, as well as the internet connection. The EB, or council tax, is only €190 per year. So I think that's also quite economic compared to maybe other countries where the council tax might be significantly higher. What else can we say about this beautiful property? There are loads of things here. Did we mention the air conditioning? Yes, we did. We mentioned the water filter. We mentioned that all is included what we see today. So this place is really ready to move in, ready to be rented out, ready to live here or come on holiday, as many people do. Actually, we have seen that the travel restrictions have been lifted now. So people from the UK with a real reason, no problem at all to come to Spain, have a look at properties, make an appointment with us. We will send you the necessary paperwork so you can travel to Spain, have a look at properties, and maybe we find together a property that suits you. Parking wise, well, what can I say? Parking is pretty close. Just walking out on the terrace, I can show you that there are several parking spaces just around the corner. It's not like in the gardens where you maybe know that each property has one car park assigned, but therefore there is no car park for guests. On Naranjos, it's slightly different. We have about 20% more car park spaces than properties, so there's always a parking space for you and your guests or friends. That's maybe one of the differences to the jardines or gardens, where there are only dedicated car parks, which means that it's sometimes, especially in high season, a little bit difficult to get a parking spot, as you only can hope that one of your neighbors is not there, because otherwise it's a little bit more difficult. On Naranjos, we don't have this problem. As we said, there's a ratio of 120 parking spaces to 100 properties. So there's always space. Just walking out on the terrace, show you again this beautiful tranquil garden. Condado de Alhama is not only a golf resort, we have as well a beautiful commercial center on site where you find the supermarket, you find several shops, bars, restaurants, which normally are open all year round. This year, as you might understand, there are certain problems with the occupancy, so not all of the businesses are actually working, but all of them promise to come back for the season, as we expect that the resort will soon be more busy than we had it over the last month, as travel restrictions slowly are lifted. And also with the vaccines, more and more people will be able to travel to Spain again. And we are looking forward to that, because at the end of the day, we are missing you guys. It's a little bit lonely where we are at the moment. So I'm really looking forward this year that we will see more people coming to Spain, more people coming to Condado and enjoy the lifestyle here. I have no idea why this cushion has fallen down. Okay, sorry for that. We are today on a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are on Naranjos 7 in a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, reference 3501 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price is normally 68,900 and today we can offer it for 66,000. So what else can I do to give you an idea of this beautiful place, except from just showing you the views. As always, you know me, I'm always impressed by the views and by the possibilities to see what's going around here. We are on Naranjos 7 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are close to the golf course. As I've just pointed out to you, we are behind the penthouses. You do find the golf course. And we are here in the apartment N368 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. You do find this apartment under reference 3501, but there are many more apartments there as well. So just scroll through. Well, yeah, prices are maybe slightly cheaper than Galway City. Yeah, could be. This is something what we're experiencing not only with Ireland, with nearly all over Europe, that we are selling here apartments where normally you can buy a garage, no? So that's what it is. Well, Anna, welcome to N638 here on Naranjos 7. You know the apartment already because you have obviously listed it. So what else can I say? Did I forget something of the
I don't think so. It's
all
just a
positive
shame
things?
that the connection isn't working out and we can't go to the pool.
You know, I can't go to the pool here because internet will not go there. Yeah. So.
Other than that, I think you've mentioned the most important, the Lamburger.
The Lamburger, no? Yes. No. Shouldn't we show here properties? Shouldn't we talk about properties? And we're mentioning rather Lamburger. No.
No, I think you said it all. Fantastic property. It's really ready to go.
Yeah.
All you need to do is bring your suitcase. You've got everything. You've got the full set of bedding, towels, kitchen inventory, you name it, we have it. It's recently been deep cleaned because it was rented for a while.
Okay.
So whatever you choose to do, whether you're going to use it for yourself or start renting it out as an investment, either way, it's ready to rumble.
Okay. Well then, what will we do next week?
What will we do next week? That's a very good question.
Shall we tell it already,
or shall? In a couple of days. No, I think it will be revealed in a couple of days.
Okay, so we have another special viewing next week, so I'm looking forward to that. Today I have shown you on Naranjos 7 a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment with mirror, so that you can see the agent. It is reference 3501 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. The asking price is only 68,900, today only 66. For any further questions, maybe you contact us through our webpage or just send an email to info@qualityhomescostacalida.com or just call us on 0034 868 619 319 868 619 319 or drop us an email on info@qualityhomescostacalida.com. I may thank you very much for your attention today and for staying with me for so long. And I'm really looking forward to see you again next week, same time, same station, 5 o'clock in Spain, 4 o'clock in the UK and the Canary Island. Looking forward to see you again. Thank you very much for your attention. What price apartment long-term rent for? About 400 euros. Normally we can achieve 400 euros per month, and this is quite a good value. So when you calculate it through, you will find out that's quite a decent investment. Okay, so it was a pleasure to have you all here and see you next week. Cheers, bye.